I had a work request to change the KABA out at Lighthouse 202. So one of the first things we have to do, we have to figure out what the ID number is for that door. So we come to this program of housekeeping application and we manage KABA Lock. We click on that and it says target property, so the property we want to target is the Lighthouse. Alright, that comes up. Alright, here is Lighthouse 202. We select that and we have to scroll down at the bottom and then hit where it says select Lighthouse 202. Alright, now select it and it comes up and tells me this KABA ID is MISID 4443. So that's the code that we're going to program. Alright, I'm going to close that out and we're going to open up the E-code to the KABA website. We have a login, a key room, and a password for it. That puts us in here, so under door management, and we're downloading all of our doors. So you click download to EMU and it's asking us what site, and the site is Meyer Real Estate for us. When we click on that, it opens up all the MISID numbers for the doors we have. So we're going to go to 4443. And there it is, 4443. We hit submit. Alright, and that brings up a DAT file. So what we got to do with that DAT file, we have to download that DAT file. So we click on that. It comes up down here at the bottom, and what I like to do is look at it in the folder. Alright, here's the DAT file. I'll do a Control-C to copy it. And one thing I forgot to do is take my jump disc and plug it in. So I have an extension wire here. Okay. Now I come to the jump disc and I do a Control-V, which is a paste. And that shows up here at the bottom that that file is 5446.dat, and there it is on the jump disk. So I'm good to go for that. I unplug it. We have a KABA reader. Alright, I'm going to take that file and take it off of this disk and put it on this KABA reader. This lets us program the KABAs. Here I'm importing from the USB. Okay, and that was, that file was, I can't remember, 5446. It's probably down at the bottom. It won't let me jump straight to the bottom. I had to go the long way. The bottom file is 5446.dat. So I just hit that down arrow, and it's highlighted, and then I hit enter. And what it's doing, it's loading that file on this KABA reader now. Alright, now it's loaded. I can unplug that, and if I come here to the door and go down to where it says view details, it'll tell me what it is. And there it says Lighthouse 202 is first thing we have to do on this lock is reset it. Okay, and the way you reset this lock, I get to get a tool to do that. Is we just have to stick something down this hole and mash a button down there. So, all right, what it did, you could, I don't know if you heard it over there, but you could hear a motor run and a beep. That lets me know it's reset. Okay, next thing we do to program it, on my KABA reader, that file that we had is flashing, so it's ready. All I have to do is take the lock, and to set this lock up to be programmed, you got to mash *pound, and that blinks green. So I just hold the KABA reader and mash enter. Okay, it took a while to come back and said programmed successfully. Alright, so this lock's now programmed to be put on the door today. And then I'll enter that KABA code 30*462*879. When I do that, I got the green light that tells me that it's done. Now, all we got to do now is take and install this lock on the door. That's how we program KABAs. Have a good day.